what's up guys? It's Auggie for Partsonlinenetwork. This video is for Sean and anybody else that might be able to use it. Sean purchased the sliding window from us and wanted a Tech Tip Tuesday on how to remove the window, which essentially is how you install it, which is just reverse. So, for the sake of whatever, this one has a decal on it. Don't need to be promoting anybody else's services. But yeah, I'm gonna show you how to take this out, and opposite would be reinstalling it, and just get it done. All right, see you inside. All right, inside. It's probably gonna be a little echoey because we're inside the cab now. So I'm gonna try to zoom in. It's gonna be hard to show you this because I gotta do it plus hold the camera and not be in the way. But whatever, we'll try to get this done. So I'm gonna flip the camera and figure this out. So, all right. Whew. Give me a second. Not as young as I used to be. All right, so it's gonna be hard to adjust with the lighting. All right, so the top of your window is in a plastic track all along, all the way over there. Ends right there where I have the tip of the needle with this pliers at. So what you're gonna need to do is slide your window all the way over, right? And I don't know, because the light, it's gonna be hard to adjust. So in here is this little piece. It's a tracking. It's like a U-channel where the window sits in. So you have to grab this part, and it's a little further inside with these pliers. I'll see if I can grab it right here. So that's it. Boom. Now I pull it down. Might be a little hard to pull this channel out, but you'll see. Gotta keep and you have to keep the window all the way across so you have the opportunity to pull it out. So I pulled it a little bit and the window started to slide with it, so I just pushed the window back. Again, pulled it more, some of the window came, so slide the window back over. And there you go. Now the track is out. And now we're going to pull the window out. So you're going to slide the window back to its normal orientation. You're going to push it up and lift it out. So here, lift it up and pull it out, and there goes your glass. So to reinstall it is going to be the same way essentially. It's going to be a little rough getting back in, so I would recommend there's different types of lubrication you can get for window tracking, like graphite or some type of silicone that will go in there for the window. So I would highly recommend lubing this back up in order to get it to slide back over the window. So I'm going to put the window back in, and this will show you how to completely install it. But like I said, some lubricant would make this a lot easier. So I'll put the window back in, top first, and slide down, and I'm going to push it all the way back over to that side. So the window tracking that goes in, if it's hard to tell, but if you look inside, there's another piece of plastic that holds the window down. That needs to be over top of the glass. And then this side is just the free portion that's over here. So you want this to be sitting when the glass is going to be fully closed. This is the part that should be sitting on top. Now, in order to get this to go back in easier, because if you slide it in through here, where that lip that sits on top of the glass isn't, you're just going to hit it, and you're not going to be able to go any further. So, easier way to do it: bring the window closed, slide this on from the opposite end, and then push it right in. And we'll show you how quick that'll be. Sorry with all the old noises, but knees on bare metal. So, window is fully closed. This side of the weather strip with that lip in there, you'll see it if you take the window apart. Now slide it into the track over the window, and I'm literally just sliding it in with ease. And that's it. Now it'll be a lot better with actual lube, but yeah, you get an idea. That's how to reinstall it. closes and stays nice and tight due to that piece being over above it. But yep. So make sure that you lube it up. Whew. Getting old for this. So the window's in and it closes, but it's just a little rough because it needs some type of lubricant or graphite or whatnot. So yeah, and that'll be it for this Tech Tip Tuesday on a Friday or whatever it is gets posted. But again, user requested video done. Sean, have fun, don't break a window. Just remember which orientation you take the trimming out, because it does only go back in one way, and just take your time putting it back together. This is Auggie at Parts Online Network. Talk to you guys later.